we picked up a couple of fluctuations, and we see again a purple band here over Asia from Lake Baikal in the north down to the Indian Ocean. That has been on the radar for several days now. And also to the west, purple band, and that marks the region from Afghanistan over Pakistan into the western part of the Indian Ocean, and we see India right in the middle. Interestingly, we've already seen magnitude 5.8 right in between in China, and if we count 6 days, we would end up around the 4th, and these areas could be a candidate for larger seismic activity if we look at the atmospheric fluctuations. But again, keep in mind these are rough estimates, and not all larger earthquakes leave a footprint in the atmosphere. They do not announce themselves all